Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create new space in Google Chat and how you can add or remove people easily. Alright, go to mail.google.com/chat and appear like so. So if you want to create a new space, you can click at the icon here, right here, click and select create space. So create a space name. Alright, and optional for description, just click create. So this space has been created. And how you can add the people, you can select add people, just click on it and just search for people with email address. For example, right, select and add. And you can also remove the people. You can select, click on it, select manage members, and click on three dot right here and select remove from space. Alright, this is super simple, but I hope this information was helpful for you. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe.